Welcome! In front of me I have AMAZFIT GTR 3 and I'm gonna show you how to check the serial number on this watch. First, we need to wake up the screen on our watch, and you can do it by pressing the upper button. After you wake up the screen, you can press the upper button again to open the menu. Now scroll through the menu, find the option called Settings and tap on it. In Settings, scroll all the way down, find the option called the System and tap on it. And here you should see the option called About. Select it. Now scroll down and find the option called S/N. And this is the serial number of our watch. And once you're done checking, you can press the upper button to go back to watch face. And that's how you check the serial number on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.